Hello, my name is Orion, and I am currently learning Portuguese. So the video today is more of my plan of action, how I'm gonna sort of tackle this whole learning Portuguese thing. So why I'm making this plan, it's just to stay motivated, stay consistent, because without a plan, I just don't think I'm gonna be able to stay consistent with it, keep on doing it. Because if I'm doing like this today, or like if I'm just going into every day being all willy nilly, I don't think I'm going to be able to stay consistent with learning, which is kind of like an important thing in language. All right, the first part of my plan is I'm going to take the Mimic Method Masterclass for Portuguese. So I got it a while ago, actually, back when the program first came out. But I got it for Spanish, but there was some like weird sale for some reason. It was like you got the masterclass for Spanish, French, Portuguese, and German, all for, I think it was like $50. So I went ahead and bought that. I bought it just for the Spanish, but hey, a few years later, helps out. But yeah, my experience with it in Spanish was really positive, so I want to go ahead and give it another try. The basic philosophy behind it is more or less being able to listen and speak is more important than reading and writing. And then to further go into that, it kind of delves into like phonetics and how to like write down what you're hearing rather than like the correct spelling of the stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing that. I'm excited to get back into that. I'll put a link in the description to it and all the other stuff I'm talking about, just because not sponsored or anything, just just putting it there. The second thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be doing a Duolingo. Some people like it a lot, some people don't like it. I mean, there's a few reasons for that, but at least from my point of view, the main thing it's going to be doing for me is it's going to be keeping me consistent. It gives me something to practice every day. So I'm happy to do that. And it's kind of going to establish a baseline for me. So that way I'm not really like missing vocabulary as I'm learning Portuguese. Like, of course, I'm always going to be lacking vocabulary, but like if I just go watch like native speakers talk, I might miss something at some point. Like, there's no point in knowing how to say fall down if you don't know how to say hello. That's a weird example, but yeah. And I am planning to do more after I get the masterclass finished with, but yeah, for right now, I'm just using Duolingo. Probably just for this week, and then at the end of the week, I'll probably just reevaluate the plan a little bit. Yeah, and then the third thing I'm going to be doing, so I'm going to be making Anki cards. So Anki is basically, it's a flashcard app or application. You can get it on your computer, your phone, your iPad, your whatever. It's on a lot of things, but basically it has a spaced repetition system for your flashcards. So instead of looking at all your flashcards every day, it more just you look at your flashcard one day, then you look at it 4 days later, then you look at it like 9 or 10 days later, then like a month later, then like 3 months later. And then doing that actually helps you learn more. Yeah, so I do know the Duolingo thing. It does kind of conflict with the masterclass thing, which is learning to speak and speak, talk, listen before reading and writing. But that's kind of where Anki is gonna come in. For right now, I'm more using Duolingo for vocabulary, like getting the words, getting the vocabulary. So in my cards I'm going to be making for Anki, this is my solution to that conflicting thing. I'm going to be getting, I'm going to be using pictures instead of like the English word. And I'm going to be using native audio from a website called Forvo. And Forvo, it's really cool actually. Native speakers like put their audio down, they'll say, like, there's just tons and tons of, like, they'll say the word in their native language and it's just that word. Super cool. So I kind of just pair the picture and the word together. And yeah, I think for me at least, I think that'll be useful. Yeah. So if anyone has any other things they think I should do, you can let me know in the comments down below. If you want to keep on following me, you can subscribe. Yeah, but besides that, wish you all a good day. Bye.